Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello students.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am very well, thank you. Okay. In this occasion, I am going to show you how to make special fried rice, which is Chinese restaurant fried rice. Yeah, Chinese restaurant fried rice. Okay, to make Chinese restaurant fried rice, you need, of course, 2 plates of rice, and then 5 types of sauce. 5 types of sauce. That's the secret of Chinese restaurant fried rice. You mix 4 of them. Okay, this is fish sauce, kecap ikan. You need about a tablespoon of fish sauce. Because I have no spoon, so I'll just make something like that. You mix the sauce, okay, and then this is salty sauce, kecap asin. You also need a tablespoon of salty sauce, and then oyster sauce. You know oyster sauce? Saus tiram, oyster sauce. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce. And sesame oil. You know sesame oil?
Yes.
Minyak wijen. Also 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Okay, now first you heat the oil with medium fire. Yeah. The oil about 2 tablespoons, not too much. Yes, that would be enough. Wait until hot, yeah? Because Chinese food usually need the oil very hot. You can do that. So it gets very hot. Okay, when it's hot enough, yeah, maybe about 1 or 2 minutes. Now when it's hot, you fry the egg. Very hot. Okay, when the egg is well done, you set aside and drain. Ditiris dan sisihkan dan tiriskan. Okay, next, put the seasoning, which is garlic. Okay. Garlic, it's going to be very hot. Garlic, 2 pieces of garlic are chopped, and 3 pieces of chili also chopped, and onion sliced, bawang bombay, and what else? 2 pieces of sausage, also sliced. We put them together and put them like that. It's gonna be smelling very sharp. Baunya sangat tajam ya. You saute the seasoning until it smells nice. Okay, then you put rice, the egg, and the sauce. And then mix. Don't forget the salt. About half teaspoon of salt. Okay, next you add some soy sauce. And the spring onion. And stir again and wait until well done. Okay, finally, the Chinese restaurant fried rice is ready to serve. Okay, I think that's all from me about how to make Chinese restaurant fried rice. Thank you so much for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.